for Bipasha Basu, everyone! Come here to launch the Great Indian Wedding book because we've heard so much about your wedding. So after that, this launch happens with you. So now, we've all read about and seen about your wedding and the honeymoon, which is honeymoon.
It's never going to end.
It's never going to end. Yes. So can we ask you a little more about how your Great Indian Wedding was? Can we?
Well, I'm sure everyone who's present out here and who's married, they have all very amazing memories about their weddings. And similarly, mine is no different. It was just magical, you know, the fact that there was one thing that I decided that I will be my own wedding planner. And I decided that I will do everything myself. I think that's something that I would want to change, though I did it really well. Or, you know, I really did it like a professional. I wish I had that book. You know, it would help me. I did not, really. Or I want to be featured in the book next time. You know, so it was tough, but I can say, you know, the few days were very magical and everything was so amazing, and everybody till now tells me I was the happiest bride ever. Like I looked so happy on my D-Day, on my big day. So I really think it all went well.
So wedding planning is a long process, immaculate detailing. When did you guys start, or how did you guys start after you decided to get married? What was the starting point? Where to start from?
Well, as everybody knows, me and Karan are pretty much beach bums. The idea was to have a destination wedding, but we got engaged in Jan, and my parents thought we'll get married by December or October, November, but we wanted to get married faster, earlier. So finally, the earliest date given by my mother was 30th April, and that's not a very good time for Goa, which is a very amazing place which we love. I thought I'd kill all my guests and myself, so we decided we'll do it in Mumbai, and we'll have all the festivities, but we'll kind of make it short, make it over 2 days, not very extended. And that's how it began. Then, you know, the hunt. Should I have a wedding planner? Then I said no, I want it very intimate. I want to remember every bit of it. So I said no, I'm going to do it myself. And I got help, you know, my help from a lot of my friends. But it was funny, you know, because before a wedding, you have heard of bridezillas. I'm sure everyone's heard. And a lot of wedding planners deal with them.
We've seen them day in, day out and dealt with them.
So I was the bridezilla and I was the wedding planner. So it was a big fight between the two Bipashas. And I used to roam around with this ponytail and my exercise clothes and 2 big books. One my wedding planning book and a big calculator. Though I had a phone, but I carried a big calculator everywhere. And I would sit with all the vendors, you know, do the math, understand what I want. Really, it was an intensive process. And I thought, you know, that I'm not going to survive once it's closer to the wedding. I'm going to really pass out. But I did well. You know, right from the food to the flowers to the, you know, the planning of the stage, the security. I did even security. So it's like I didn't leave anything.
Of course, with the kind of guest list, and you are a huge film star, your guest list had film stars. So how difficult was it to plan which theme, what event? How did you decide on that?
You know, for me, they're all friends. So it was not, I was not thinking, yes, I did want everyone to have a really good time. And I didn't want it to be very formal. I wanted everyone to have, like, be a part of a party. So I did ensure that the security is tight. I had a lot of help from a lot of friends, like I said. I had the media supporting me so nicely and wonderfully, and you know, being so happy for me on my big day.
I know most of them were there.
They were there, like, fully. And it was an amazing experience, like deciding the days and all. You know, my mother wanted me to have a mehndi. I am not so much of a mehndi person because I'm not so patient, but I did it for her, and it was a blast because all my friends had the best time ever. It was a Mehndi Kam Sangeet, and the next day was haldi and the rituals and the party. So it was quick, but quite hectic.
And what was your favorite part of the complete celebration?
I think there were a lot of moments, you know, that when you get married, there are moments that are going to stay with you forever. The moment when, my father had to actually not eat and do the whole kanyadan that they do. And I told him, why are you doing that? Just eat. I'm not going anywhere. What do you mean by kanyadan? And all, I don't want to follow that. But, me and Karan did the entire whole day fasting. We didn't see each other, though we were in the same hotel in different rooms. And we were always like together all the time, 2 years, and then we were separate in the same hotel. There were lots of things, like the whole Shubho Drishti in Bengali. My brothers carrying me. And my seat was heavy, and my outfit was heavy. And it was all carrying me around Karan, and I was just laughing. And so it was fun.
Laughing. Did you brides tend to get emotional? Did you get emotional at any point?
Oh yeah, all the time. Throughout the ritual, I cried, I laughed, I snapped. All three were happening back to back. I don't know why.
Okay, so any tip any advice that you would want to give to brides to be that can be featured in the next edition of the Great Indian Wedding Book?
I think the advice that each bride, it's not an advice, it's just that everyone will tell you that it's that one day which is going to be so special. I think what you need to focus on is just be happy and grateful, and you are going to be beautiful because you are the bride, you are going to have the glow, you are going to be the most special person in that place at that moment anyways, but what you need to take away from that day is the happiness of each moment. So just be a happy bride always.
Exactly. And now that we are here at the launch of the book, how do you think such a book, the Great Indian Wedding Book, can help someone plan their wedding, can help couples plan and go into the detailing of their wedding? How can it help?
It's like I said, if I had a guideline like this, it would be really easy for me. I don't know why I didn't think of it. Shaju, I'm going to get you. Why didn't you suggest the book to me then? Yeah, it's like, it's really helps you because when you are trying to do it yourself, in today's time, the modern couples, they all want, their wedding to be very different, and it should be they want to own it. So, they need help. And if it's coming from the experts, everything is in one book, whether it's about your trousseau, whether it's about your jewelry, whether it's venue, location, decor, everything. And it's very, very detailed. So if you're getting all the help in one book, then I think it's just like a gift. Because weddings are magical and you need a gift like this to make it better. So definitely, I'm very happy that you guys have this book, and it's going to help so many couples and make their very, very big day magical.
Exactly, and we are waiting for that moment where we unveil the book. But before we do so, I would love to call on stage our sponsors and even partners on stage. Can we please have the copy and get Mr. Pandey and Vikas to unveil. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the 4th edition of Great Indian Wedding Book. Well, here it is.
देखिए, जो शादी में सब्यसाची ने मेरे कपड़े बनाए थे, I thought it'll be amazing to wear Sabyasachi again for the launch of the Great Indian Wedding Book, because it's just very synonymous. I feel like maybe because I'm a Bengali, I think I associate, and not just that actually, most brides want Sabyasachi because he just can make a bride look stunning. So that's why I'm wearing Sabyasachi again. बहुत सारी memories है. I would love to repeat it every year actually, but it's too elaborate a function, to do repeat again and again. But if we could, we would love to. But it's quite a lot of hard work. But because जो वक्त था, you know, those 2 days, it just, you know, flew by so fast, but they were so beautiful. And I only have pictures and videos, and definitely in my memory, all of it, you know, that it's so beautiful that I really want it to happen again and again.
Ma'am, do you think this book will have helped you before your marriage?
एब्सोल्युटली. अभी मैंने कहा कि अगर ये बुक मेरे पास होती तो देखिए, जनरली लोग यू नो वेडिंग प्लानर्स हायर कर लेते हैं और छोड़ देते हैं यू नो डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स को उनका काम करने के लिए. पर मैंने पता नहीं क्यों ये यू नो चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट किया कि मैं खुद करूँगी. मैं हर कुछ मीन्स एवरीथिंग. तो क्या फूल लेना है, हाइड्रेंजिया का कॉस्ट क्या होता है, क्रिसेंथेमम का कॉस्ट क्या होता है. मीन्स आई वाज सिटिंग यू नो स्टेज का you know the sizing kitna hoga, you know it shouldn't come into my party place, you know, but the band should be happy. So I was into everything. I can't tell you that खाने में कितने बार कितनी सारी food tasting मैंने की और कितने लोगों को खिलाया. They were, my friends were fed up of my food tastings, but you know we had fantastic food and an amazing wedding. So I got like everyone who came really had a great time.
Ma'am, getting ready for a marriage, it's like preparing for a wedding. What
Yes.
you have thought, why you have thought like
I'm saying it's even more. Actually, it's a step further because this film just happens once. You know, it's like it's one of your epic films which will never repeat. So it's tough, man. It's like every bit of it. Like film में होता है ना, you know, art directors and this, all of those different professionals, basically one person becomes that. That's in my case, me, the bride. It was tough. And मैंने तो I think मेरी जो शादी का जोड़ा था वो मैंने लास्ट सोचा था उसके बारे में एंड मैंने सिर्फ सब्या को बोला था जस्ट मेक मी लुक प्रिटी एंड आई लेफ्ट इट. तो वही बना रहा था, वही सोच रहा था. मैंने कभी कुछ पूछा ही नहीं उनसे कि मैं क्या पहनूंगी, पर बाकी सब चीज़ों में मैंने सब कुछ यू नो आई वाज इन्वॉल्व्ड. बट सिर्फ कपड़ों में मैं इन्वॉल्व नहीं थी फर्स्ट टाइम, जहाँ पे मैं जनरली इन्वॉल्व रहती हूँ. किस चीज़ में? हम लोग बहुत अलाइक हैं. यू नो वी हैव वेरी दैट्स व्हाई वी आर लाइक वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स. हम लोग बहुत ही सिमिलर हैं. वो एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे से ज़्यादा बंगाली बन गया अभी. यू नो ही वांट्स भात एवरी डे. गिव मी भात. You know, I don't eat bhat every day. I eat it only once on my birthday. But he loves his bhat. He's a strange Sardar. He doesn't want roti, paratha. He wants bhat. And what do I say? He speaks fluent Bengali. मुझे पंजाबी नहीं आती. कोशिश करता है मुझे सिखाने की, पर मैं थोड़ी पता नहीं, मैंने अभी तक सीखी नहीं है. समझ आता है, पर वो बहुत अच्छी बंगला बोलता है. ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे और करण को पसंद है. वी लव टू ट्रैवल, लाइक यू गाइज नो. देयर सो मेनी टाइम्स यू नो पीपल से योर हनीमून इज़ नेवर एंडिंग. आई सेड यू नो यू गाइज शुड बी हैप्पी. आई होप दैट एवरी कपल इज़ लाइक दैट, that this you know that they are like-minded and they like to do the same things, and that's it. You have to make your life beautiful with your partner. That's it. It's one life.
lastly, we have seen you in Alone, you and Karan sir. So any
After that we became together.
yeah.
So Alone got us together.
So any planning for you're together any movie?
Well, no. Karan's doing his own film. He flies off now to London immediately right now, and I am figuring out something which is going to hopefully start this year. I'm never going to say this year because I have actually worked on this one very hard. So let's hope that it falls into place.
Okay, मैम रक्षाबंधन भी देखा है हमने रॉकी एस के साथ. बहुत ही अच्छा आपका भी बहुत ही ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा है उसके ऊपर. तो
Oh, really?
कैसा मजा था? थोड़ा बहुत बताना चाहिए.
रॉकी इज़ लाइक माई रॉक. मैं जब 16 साल की थी मैं तब से उन्हें पहचानती हूँ एज अ मॉडल, एंड ही इज़ बीन प्रोटेक्टिव अबाउट मी फ्रॉम माई फर्स्ट शूट. पहले शूट में एक मॉडल ने मेरे से एक जूता छीन लिया था मेरा, जो रॉकी ने सब मॉडल्स को गिफ्ट कर दिया था एक जूता. एट द एंड ऑफ द शूट वन मॉडल स्नैच्ड इट फ्रॉम मी, एंड रॉकी हैड कम टू माई रेस्क्यू एट दैट टाइम एंड सेड प्लीज़ गिव हर शूज़ बैक. एंड फ्रॉम दैट डे टू नाउ आई डोंट यू नो इवन फॉर माई वेडिंग द पार्टी नाइट ही हैड टोल्ड मी दैट यू हैव वर्क सो हार्ड कि आज का दिन तुम इंजॉय करो, अब सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मेरी है. And he really had actually looked after all my guests. So he is my true brother. मैं बहुत प्यार करती हूँ रॉकी से, and he's like that eternal rock for me. Yeah.
सब अगर सब शादी कर रहे हैं तो दे दूंगी सबको।
किसको देना चाहिए आप? अगर एक जन को
खान को क्यों दूं?
देना चाहे तो आप।
खान हम लोग को 10 बुक दे सकते हैं सारे खान। Like all the years are special. Like life is special because every year we are advancing and we are going through life and we are grateful for it. We are grateful the fact that, you know, people fought for us and we are an independent country and we get to rejoice today. And I think we will never exactly know what the people who really fought for our independence, felt. But we can just thank them and try and make our country a better place, be grateful, and in our own way do something for, our surroundings to make every day, around, I say immediate surroundings, also around your house, neighborhood, locality, do your bit to make your country better. I think that is something that's how you show that you are grateful for the independence that you have today.
Thank you.
Independence is all about freedom. What is it that you, personally or professionally want freedom from?
Well, I really, as I said, I'm very grateful for the freedom I enjoy because there are so many women my age in different countries who don't enjoy anything. So I'm in a very, very happy place. I can't really ask for more than this. Yes, there are a lot of atrocious news that we hear every day about things happening in our country towards women. I don't know, really we talk about teaching self-defense to girls. We talk about respecting girl child. We talk about a lot of issues, We all talk about it, and definitely we are the fortunate ones. We don't have to go through any of it. But I just wish all this evil just stops. I don't know. I hope there's some magic. There's a God up there, and one day he just puts his hand up, and all of it just goes away. I hope it happens.